Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by gathering a grindstone and the enchanted item. This is the fastest, safest step. Place the grindstone and right-click while holding the item. The grindstone removes all non-curse enchantments and returns a portion of the XP. This matters if you plan more enchants. Once done, make sure the item is the right one to avoid losing valuable enchantments you meant to keep. If the item retains a curse, stop and move to an alternate removal method. Once simple disenchanting is done, you need nuance. If you want to keep certain enchants, use an anvil with enchanted books to pull those effects onto a book or another item. This preserves value. If your Rlcraft instance includes an extractor device or modded disenchanter, that tool can isolate and store specific enchantments. Follow its GUI and power requirements. Make sure to test moves on expendable gear first, because transferring or extracting can consume materials, levels, or even the source item. To finish, reforge or reapply the enchantments you want. Use enchantment tables, anvils, and books while watching level costs. If an enchantment persists after a grindstone or extractor attempt, make sure a server plugin or mod is not protecting the item. Check configs and mod tooltips. If things go wrong, restore from the world or NBT backup you made. This single precaution prevents permanent loss of rare gear. Finally, keep notes on which method returns XP versus consumes it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.